In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable TFA in Zoho Mail. If you need to turn off two-factor authentication, also called TFA or MFA, in your Zoho account, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. Just keep in mind that disabling this feature removes an extra layer of security from your account, so only do this if it's absolutely necessary and you understand the risks. Make sure you're signed in and have access to your account settings before you begin. Start by opening your Zoho account. You can do this by going to the Zoho website and signing in normally. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main account dashboard and that everything has fully loaded. This helps avoid missing any menu options that may take a second to appear. Next, click on your profile. In most cases, this is located in the upper corner of the screen, often shown as your profile picture or account icon. Selecting this area will open a menu with account-related options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, give the menu a quick scan, since the layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on the version of the interface you're using. From there, click on My Account. This will take you into the section where your personal account settings and security controls are managed. This is the area where Zoho keeps important settings related to login, privacy, and verification methods. Once you're inside My Account, look for multi-factor authentication. In some cases, it may also be labeled as MFA or two-factor authentication. Click into that section and then locate the current MFA setting for your account. This is the area where Zoho shows whether the feature is active and what verification method is currently being used. Here is where you can disable it. Follow the on-screen option to turn off MFA. Depending on your current security settings, Zoho may ask you to verify your identity before allowing the change. That's normal, and it's there to protect your account. After you confirm the action, the settings should update and show that multi-factor authentication has been disabled. Once that's done, it's a good idea to review your account's security settings one more time just to make sure the change has been saved successfully. And that's it. You've now disabled TFA in Zoho Mail.